Labellerr platform, and I'm introducing a very cool feature in this, and which is especially relevant, when you're annotating overlapping objects. So the feature I'll introduce is adjusting the transparency of the polygons you draw while annotating your objects inside an image. So as you can see, there is one image, and it has a number of cargo ships. So we have four cargo ships and one water body. And I want to annotate all of them. So what I'll do is first I'll annotate my cargo ships. So I'll do this, and I draw polygon right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. So voila. So one is done. And then I'll draw another one right here, right here. I'll draw one anchor point here. I'll draw one anchor point here, and I'll complete this. And I'll draw another one right here. And so this is the another one, cargo ship. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So it's done. Then I'll annotate this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now I have to annotate my water body. So the water body, and I have to annotate the bigger ship also. So what I'll do is, I'll first annotate the bigger ship. So I'll draw one anchor point here, 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 one here, and it's done. Now I'll select water class and I'll annotate my water body. So one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. And now you can see that, this water body, it's very dark, and you have to reduce its transparency, because I cannot see my other annotations, that is the other little cargo ships. So what I'll do is, I'll go to settings, and I'll click on update annotation questions. And you can see that water body is here, and I'll click on miscellaneous properties, and I'll reduce the transparency of my water body annotation and do back and save changes in current project guidelines. So you can see that, the water body, it has been annotated, and it has a lesser transparency right now. I can reduce it more. So this feature is very important, because especially in cases, where the annotations are overlapping, and especially if you want to do a quality assessment, and you want to see all the annotations that have been done inside an image. And so transparency, adjusting transparency, this kind of control, that is adjusting transparency, becomes very important here, because you want to reduce the transparency and see all the underlying annotations, so that the underlying annotations become prominent. So this feature is very important there. And you can easily annotate a number of overlying underlying objects because of this feature. So happy annotating with very complex images. Thank you.